Hey, my name's Andrew with Masters Building Products. I hope everyone's feeling well and staying inside. Today we're going to go over the Organics XPL collection from Parkay Floors. This product and any one of our products are available at Forever Floor and Tile in North Myrtle Beach. They're one of our top rated dealers. I highly recommend them. Please give them a call and check them out. They'll definitely take good care of you. The Organics XPL collection is a multi-layer core 100% waterproof vinyl product. The multi-layer core keeps everything dimensionally stable and giving you an extra layer of comfort. It is 6.5 millimeters thick. Most residential products are 4 to 5 millimeters thick. The reason why thicker is better here is because you have a slab that could possibly be cold, and then you have your flooring, and then on top of the flooring you have the sunlight beating in, and with the difference in temperatures, the thickness helps keep everything stable. It's very important, along with the wear layer. The wear layer is the last layer that you can touch and feel on a floor, and most residential products are anywhere between 6 and 12 mils thick, and this product is almost double that at 22 mils of a wear layer. So it's a very, very aggressive amount of a wear layer there that's going to take that beating and take that abuse. This is a high variation floor. So what that means is, as you can see here, from this plank to this plank to this plank, the print itself has a high variation in it. It also has a 4-sided micro bevel. So when you open up your front door, you're also going to get a big plank format at 9 inches by 60 inches. You're going to see a high variation print, and that 4-sided micro bevel is going to help or encourage the planks to look like they're differentiated between one and the other. They're going to stand out. It's very impressionable, and it gives the floor just such a great distinct look. We have 6 colors to choose from here. All of them are available on our visualizer on our website. Just go to www.parkayfloors.com and you can click on that visualizer link, apply any one of these colors or any collection or any color in any collection to that photo that you took of whatever room you'd like to use in your own home at your convenience. And you can see what our floors look like in your home. And even if you don't like the direction that the floor is facing, you can go ahead and change that direction as well. It's very easy to use. The Organics XPL is a pad attached product. Each individual plank comes with our IXPE antimicrobial pad already attached to it. So it's one of the best pads in the market, attached to one of the best selling products in the market. Along with an angle click system, it makes installation a breeze. If you guys have any questions, or if you'd like to get a sample or see this in real life, please visit Forever Floor and Tile in North Myrtle Beach. Check them out. Again, they'll take very good care of you.